Hey guys, this is Jamie from Soap Authority. When you render tallow for soap making, it can be helpful to run your fat through a meat grinder. There will be less chopping to do and it'll make the job quicker. In this video, I'll show you how I assemble my meat grinder. Alright, I'm going to show you how to put your meat grinder together, and the first thing you want to do is there is this pin on the side that will lock and unlock your grinder head. And so what you want to do is you want to unlock it, so you're unscrewing the pin that's inside there. And that's going to allow you to attach your grinder head. And you just tighten that back up like that. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put your auger in. Get that secure. There's a little slot that slides into. And then after that, you're going to put your cutting blade on. And what you want to do is you want to put the flat side out. There's this other side that's curved. That goes inside here. So you're just going to slide your cutting blade on and push that all the way back. Now when you put your plate on, there's this little tiny pin down here and there's this little divot right here, and you're going to have to push that over that pin. And what you want to do is you want to keep this as level as possible. And sometimes you have to struggle with it a little bit to get it on. You want it to be totally vertical and lined up with that pin, and it'll slide right on. And you just put your ring nut on. Just like that. So the next thing you're going to do is you're just going to add your hopper. And this is just where you place your fat to be ground. And it just sets right in here. It doesn't snap on or anything. It just kind of tucks down in there. And then once you have that secure, it's all ready to use. You can plug it in and you can run your cut up fat chunks through this. Hopefully this makes setting up your meat grinder much easier. In my next video, I'll show you how I prepare the fat for grinding and the technique that I use to grind fat for making tallow. Look for the link below and I'll see you there.